you are aware that the Indian Coast Guard is the central coordinating authority for search and rescue in Indian region, ocean region. Director General Indian Coast Guard is the chairman of this committee. This exercise is a regional SAREX exercise. This is basically done to see where we stand, what is our preparation. We revalidate our procedures, our standard operating procedures, our coordination with the other stakeholders of search and rescue. SAREX 2019 was conducted at Goa for 2 days, on 5th and on 6th. The 5th we have done the tabletop exercise and the workshop, and today we have witnessed the real exercise at sea. I can assure on behalf of the Coast Guard that we will not leave any stone unturned to check that all the search and rescue operations, all the search and rescue distress are attended by the Coast Guard.
Say even इसका as a Goa as a tourist destination लोग किया था, even others.
With respect to the tourist, you have said, during the monsoon time, we received information from the coastal police that one of the tourists is gone to the sea. He slipped and is gone to the sea. So our chopper helicopter, the Coast Guard helicopter, which is based here at Goa, it took up within 10 minutes and he saved that person. So earlier also I have informed everybody that he was an army officer in exercise. So that was the recent operation.